Hello guys, welcome to Organized Dining. I'm Michael.
I'm Connie.
Connie, I feel so hungry. What food are we gonna eat today?
Which type of food do you want to eat?
Japanese food.
Oh, I know a Japanese restaurant nearby. Let's go.
Okay. The decorations are all Japanese styles. It is so juicy and it's very fresh. And this eel sushi is a piece of eel bone. 唔使講啦，就就配音。This sushi tastes a bit of sweet, and the sauce and the eel with the seaweed and the rice really matches. The eel is very yummy.
Okay, so let us try this. 咩啦？the 紫菜咁樣，the decoration and the wasabi 咩咩咩咁樣，the dip and tuna. This crab roll is taste fresh and chewy. The rice is soft.
夾啊夾啊！
Okay.
唔使講啦。
The meat tastes sweet. And the rice is also salty too. It neutralizes the salty of the rice. Of course.
This noodles. This is Japanese noodles. 夾啊夾啊夾啊！noodles. My God. Japanese egg. 都話你係 Japanese egg.
我食晒所有嘢。
安生點講啊？粟米都係見咗啊！而家去條配音啦。
佢哋嘅沙冰我，咁你食咩啊？
And with this fried with special sauce. 夾啊夾俾佢啊！兩塊啦，兩塊唔緊要，放落去啦。Oh my god！ 唔緊要啦，唔緊要啦。Let me taste the soup first. The soup is rich.
Oh, this vegetable tastes not so old. It tastes young.
Let me taste this Japanese dish.
This after this egg is immersed in the soup, it becomes very yummy.
Yeah, I'd like to try this seaweed. It is fresh and it is pork also.
Then next is the noodle. The noodles is chewy and also has the good taste of the soup.
Last, I'll try the pork. It's so crunchy.
你講埋嗰個汁絕配之類嘅咯。
And this mixed with the sauce is so matches.
This is our style cuisine. First, mix this carrot with this sauce before a special seasoning.
We like to try the fried shrimp first. Shrimp is very fresh. It is covered by flour and it is deeply fried, so it is very crunchy.
Okay, then let me try this.
And I would like to try the fried mushroom.
This is also very fresh and crunchy.
Michael 你話 juicy 咯。
And this mushroom is juicy. And you can see that it is also very fresh. And since Macau is a colony of political ones, so let us try the Portuguese food.
Where can we find? I think I know a very famous Portuguese restaurant.
慢啲，慢啲，慢啲。
It is a normal restaurant, but now it's become a Portuguese restaurant. Let's try that.
Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah. Let's go in.
Let's try the appetizer first. It is made up of small vegetables cut into small pieces and bacon cut into small pieces. Let's taste this.
The vegetables with small pieces of bacon are perfectly matched with the soup.
The taste of the vegetables completely submerged in the soup. They are very tasty. bacalhau.
Bacalhau is actually made up of salted fish.
This dish is bacon bacalhau with cream cheese. This is also scalloped with vegetables and onion. Let's try this.
It's very salty.
Yes, Portuguese like this style salty food.
Where did the bacalhau came from?
The bacalhau was originated in the 16th century. The Portuguese at that time were fishing at the Norwegian Sea in order to prevent the fish from being rotten. They added salt in the fish. Eventually, salted fish became bacalhau.
It's interesting. By the way, the cheese is very creamy too.
Yes, and the cheese taste of the cheese is used to neutralize the salty taste. After eating something so oily, we should try some vegetables.
Oh, you should try this. This is the baby cabbage in Portuguese style. There are also small pieces of bacon and garlic on top of it. Let us try them.
Okay. Very juicy.
This vegetable tastes sweet and fresh.
Yes, and the bacon has a very special flavor. It tastes a little bit sweet. This is like a soup just now. It makes the vegetables even tastier. And the garlic also enhances the experience of this dish.
It's very delicious.
Yes.
This is our last cuisine and our main dish. Oh, it looks overcooked.
This is the baked chicken in rice in Portuguese style. There's a layer of tomato covering the rice.
緊要啦，出咗而家先再爆，唔驚尷尬。
The tomato sauce makes the rice a little bit sour and makes it very different.
The green pepper and onion make this cuisine more healthy.
Yes, and the onion too.
Let's talk about the meat.
The meat contains a little bit of gravy, which makes the meat very juicy.
The great taste of tomato also perfectly submits into the taste of meat, and now it becomes very yummy.
Yummy.